What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over YouTube advertising efficient reach campaigns. So it's a newer type of campaign in YouTube advertising that allows you to reach people with your message using different types of videos. So you can use a combination of bumper ads and skippable in-stream YouTube ads. So today I'm going to show you how to set up that campaign and everything you need to know to get started. So we're in our Google Ads account, and what you want to do first is you obviously need a YouTube channel to run YouTube advertising through Google Ads. So once you have your Google Ads account set up, your YouTube channel set up, you want to make sure once you go to Tools and Settings, under Linked Accounts, so under Setup and Linked Accounts, you want to make sure that you have your YouTube channel linked to your Google Ads account. So you're going to see right here, my linked accounts and products. I have YouTube one link. If you go to Manage and Link, or if you're linking a new channel and you click on Details, once you're in this page, all you need to do is click on the plus sign, search for the channel, or paste the channel URL and link it directly from your Google Ads account. So you can see I have mine linked here. I can easily unlink it at any time, but it allows me to create remarketing audiences, see view counts, see total engagement. It just gives you access to more information for what people are doing after they view your video, and you can create remarketing audience as well for people who have either subscribed to your channel or viewed some of your videos. So we're going to come back over here to our campaign screen, and we're going to get started with creating a new campaign. But before you do, what I would recommend doing is you want to make sure you have some different video advertisements uploaded to your channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is using 4 different videos as I create this YouTube ads efficient reach campaign, and all the videos are somewhat similar. They're just different lengths. So the first one is going to be a 30-second video, version 1. The second one is going to also be a 30-second video. It's version 2. And then I have a 6-second video, so a bumper ad. This is version 2 of my 6-second bumper ad, and then version 2 of a 14-second skippable ad as well. So we're going to come over here and we're going to create a new campaign. And our campaign objective for this, we don't really have to focus on conversions for this type of campaign. Our campaign objective is going to be under brand awareness and reach, and we're going to choose video. And then under campaign subtype, you want to choose a video reach campaign and select the ways you'd like to reach your goal, efficient reach. So reach more unique users at a lower cost with bumper ads, skippable in-stream ads, or a mix of both ad types. So you can see what our main goal is here for efficient reach. Reach more unique users at a lower cost. So it's perfect for a promotion like this one where I have saved 20% on all Halloween and fall decorations through October 15th. And in this case, it's for my beach theme website. So we're going to come back over to our campaign screen. We have efficient reach selected here, and we're going to click on continue. Now you're going to see general settings, type, video campaign, goal, brand awareness, and reach. So let's just say YouTube efficient reach campaign Halloween sale. Hey everyone, thank you for your support watching my videos over the years. If you want to continue to support my channels while also using some of the best marketing tools, you can try either SEMrush or SpyFu if you haven't already. Both are great PPC and SEO tools. If you use the link at the bottom here for either one, they are affiliate links, so it will help support my channel and support Surfside PPC. If you're not interested, no problem. Back to the video. So our bid strategy here is going to be Target CPM. That's our only option for an efficient reach campaign. So our goal is to get people to see this ad as many times as possible. So with Target CPM, we're paying for every 1,000 times our ad is shown. So if we set a Target CPM bid of $10, that means for every 1,000 times our ad is shown, we're going to pay $10 or less. So we're going to collapse the bid strategy. Next is going to be budget and dates. You could either choose a campaign total budget or a daily budget. Let's just choose a campaign total budget, and we'll say $1,000 for this campaign. Our start date is going to be today, September 12th, and our end date, let's say we want to end it one day before the promotion ends. So the promotion runs through October 15th, so we'll end it on October 14th, and it's going to be around a $30 daily budget that's going to run for 33 days. So we'll keep scrolling down. So for networks, it's going to be YouTube videos automatically. Ads can appear on YouTube videos, channel pages, and the YouTube homepage. And you can also run across video partners on the display network. I generally keep this selected, but if you just want to be on YouTube, you can unselect this as well. It's a matter of preference. You get access to more inventory with video partners on the display network, but let's just say for this case, we're just going to run on YouTube videos. Okay, so next is going to be our location targeting. You want to target any location where your customers are located. So let's just say for this example, I'm going to target United States. Now languages, same thing. You want to target the languages your customers speak. For this case, I'm going to choose English for my language targeting. Now content exclusions, inventory type. So the recommended is standard inventory. That's going to exclude some sensitive content, extremely sensitive content that expanded inventory would show. Limited inventory is going to limit any types of sensitive content and limit your available inventory. I've said in other videos, I generally keep this as standard inventory. So excluded types and labels. So you can exclude certain content types like embedded YouTube videos and live streaming videos, and you can select digital content labels to exclude, such as content that hasn't been labeled yet, content for mature audiences. So you can keep it. This wouldn't be a bad selection if you're running this type of campaign. So related videos, what you can do is add videos related to your video ads to help increase engagement. So I've said this in other videos. What would be very helpful for me is if I created a couple different videos where I go over some of the different most popular beach themed Halloween products, beach themed fall products, and just use those videos as my related videos. So if you come in here to the plus sign and you're doing related videos, you need to add at least 2 and up to 5. So if I'm adding related videos, let's just say we'll take a couple of these videos here and we'll paste the first one. Now, obviously these are used for advertisements, so I wouldn't really recommend using them for related videos, but the example I said where you're going over some of your different products. Now, if you have different product reviews for some of the things you're promoting, any type of relevant video that's going to further promote your business, that's what you want to add here. So these wouldn't be the best examples because they're just other advertisements, but we'll just put them here anyway. We'll take this 15-second ad, copy link address, and we'll paste this here as well. Okay, so we have our 2 related videos, and we'll click on done. Now next is going to be creating our ad group, and for this example, I'm going to create a custom audience segment. So I'll show you how I do that. So let's say for this ad group, we're going to target a custom audience segment. Now, people who you want to reach, keep in mind, this is a video reach campaign. So you want to reach the demographics that are going to be the most valuable for your business. For my case, for Beachfront Decor, the most valuable for my business would be female, and it would be 35 and up. And I could also incorporate household income here as well. So let's just say household income in the top 30%, any parental status, age 35 and up, gender female. So it drastically limits my impressions, but that would be the most relevant for who I'm targeting. And the other thing that I could do, since I'm targeting with beach related content, is use locations and focus on locations. For example, if I come into advanced search here, use beach locations along the United States. So let's just say, for example, St. Augustine. So what I could do here is say St. Augustine and come up with a list of all these different beach cities. So St. Augustine Beach, Florida, and then you can see you're targeting people who live along the beach. So if you target these areas that are more along the beach, it's going to be better for my targeting. In my case, I'm just going to choose United States for now, and that's who we'll target. So we'll click on save. So what we're going to do down here is we have our demographics set. Let's enter our audience segment. And if we go to browse, you can target by detailed demographics, so who they are. You can target by interests and habits, affinity audiences. These are very broad interests and habits. So if we keep scrolling down, in-market and life events, what they are actively researching or planning. I like using in-market audiences a lot. In this case, I'm going to create a custom segment at the bottom. Now, the other thing you can do is incorporate your remarketing audiences. So for my example, since I linked my YouTube account, I could target anybody who's watched my YouTube videos. Obviously, I don't get a lot of YouTube views from my Beachfront Decor channel, so that wouldn't really work. But I could target anybody who has visited this page or visited my website in general with my beach Halloween decorations guide. So we'll come down here and let's create a custom segment. So we're gonna, at the very bottom, you'll see custom audience segments. We'll click to create a new custom segment. We're gonna name it Beach Halloween Keywords. So we're gonna do people who search for any of these terms on Google. And what you wanna do is enter the most relevant search terms based on whatever it is that you're promoting. So let's do beach Halloween, coastal Halloween. We'll do beach Halloween decor. Okay, and I'm going to fast forward through this a little bit. Okay, so we have people who search for any of these terms on Google, and I picked out some very, very relevant keywords. So if people are looking up any of these keywords on Google, they're going to be more likely to be interested in my beach Halloween decorations guide. So we're going to come down here and we're going to click on save. So now we have our custom audience segment here. Now you might find that we're not able to spend our full budget with this custom audience segment. So what you would want to do in that case is either create another segment or expand your current segment. I would create another custom segment, add it to this campaign, and just add more keywords to it. So we'll keep scrolling down. Audience expansion. I like using audience expansion because you're going to reach more people who are similar to your selected audiences. So if you have very relevant and targeted audiences and you use audience expansion, what Google Ads is going to do is say, okay, we have this set of people that are in your targeting and this set of people who are very closely related to the people you're already targeting. We're going to target them as well and try to drive more results for your business. And ultimately, a lot of times it helps drive more conversions for conversion-based campaigns. So we'll scroll down here, content where you want your ads to show. You can narrow your reach with keywords, topics, or placements. I'm not going to be doing that in this video, but you can enter keywords and they would target relevant content for the keywords you enter. You could use topics. So this could be useful to use some different broad topics depending on what you're promoting. And with placements, you can actually choose specific videos, channels, websites, and apps to run your YouTube video ads. So let's start creating our advertisements. So we're first going to open up our video. So this is our Halloween sale 30-second video ad version 1. And what we can do is paste our video URL here, and it's going to open up our new YouTube video ad. So we're going to start with our final URL. This is our landing page, our beach Halloween decorations. We're going to paste that here. So we have beach Halloween decorations, our display URL, same thing. Call to action, let's choose shop now. Headline, let's say Halloween decor. People should know it's related to beachfront decor because we have our beach logo here, our website. It'll list our brand name with some of the different ad formats. So if we scroll down, we can upload a companion banner as well. They have the option to auto-generate using channel banner, or what we can do is upload an image, and I've already uploaded an image from other campaigns, so Halloween 20% off sale. Now these are really small and they only show on desktop devices, so you want to make sure that it's very clear what you're promoting. So with this one, ad name, let's say 30-second ad 1. Okay, so what we can do is create a new video ad. So we're going to take our next video ad. Now this is the 30-second version. Let's use the 6-second version for another example, and we'll paste that here. Okay, so we have our other video advertisement, just a shorter video. So same thing, final URL. We have our display URL, call to action. Let's put shop now and headline. Now we could do something like Halloween sale. We could do something like 20% off sale. Let's say 20% off sale. So you could use different headlines to make sure people are seeing different offers since they only give us 15 characters. Now, same thing with the companion banner. We'll select an already uploaded image, choose that one here. And then for this one, we will do 6-second ad version 2. Okay, so now we have our second advertisement here. Let's just create one more. So we're doing one more skippable in-stream ad. And for this one, we'll do our 14-second version. We'll copy this video. You can do longer videos as well. You don't have to keep it at 30 seconds because if you do longer videos, they're just going to be skippable in-stream ads. So people can easily skip your ad no matter how long it is. So if you want to create a minute ad, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, put a full commercial, you can do all of those with this type of campaign. I'm just doing a 30-second, a 14-second, and a 6-second. So we'll enter our final URL and everything here. Okay, so we have our final URL, our display URL, our call to action, our headline. We have our companion banner. This one we'll do, well, it's 14 seconds, version 2. Okay, so we have our ad name. And now we have our 3 different advertisements. I could also do my version 2 for the 30-second advertisement. So let's keep scrolling down here. And last is going to be our Target CPM bid. So the average amount we're willing to pay for every 1,000 times our ad is shown. I used $10 before as my example. Since we have a pretty tight targeting, there's only so many impressions available for who we're targeting. Let's set our Target CPM bid at $10. If we're spending our daily budget just fine, we'll lower this bid over time. So let's click on create campaign, and it's as simple as that to create your efficient reach campaign. It's now launched. Our campaign is ready. It's just going to have to go through the approval process, which should be pretty quick. So we have our ad group here. Now you can always expand to other targeting. You can always create more advertisements as you continue to run your campaign, and you can adjust your settings to change your budget or anything else like that to make sure you're getting the most out of your campaign. If you're not getting the results you're looking for, you could pause your campaign at any time and stop running it. Now you're going to pay for any of the advertisements that people have watched already. So anytime your ad is shown, you're still going to be charged for that. So just keep in mind, you want to pay attention to a campaign like this, but ultimately with an efficient reach campaign, you're looking for more branding, awareness, product consideration. It's good for a promotion like this, but you don't want to make it a huge part of your budget if you're highly focused on conversions. This can help create a little bit more awareness around your promotions and hopefully drive a few new customers to your business. So if you have any questions about YouTube ads, efficient reach campaigns, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.